Hey guys, okay, so probably what is like blowing up my inbox the most is you guys asking me how I fix and curl my hair now that it is this length. And so I just decided to go ahead and do a very quick, informal tutorial, just showing you a couple of the products I use and kind of my system. So I actually curled my hair earlier this morning, and I'm actually about to go live for a live sale, and so I'm just going to touch it up really quick. And so I'm just going to start from the beginning and show you exactly what I do. So one of my favorite products that I just got is this Living Proof Full Volume Dry Blast. I thought it was a dry shampoo when I bought it, but it's not. It's actually just like a texturizing thing. So I take a comb with the smaller bristles, and I start, my hair is like very flat from the humidity today, so I start at my crown and I lift up and I just back comb, aka tease this hair, because I just want a little bit of volume. So I'm gonna shake this and I'm gonna spray it at the roots to give it a little volume. And I'm just gonna keep doing that around the crown of my hair. And my hair is naturally blonde, but my roots are kind of grown out right now. So, but I just roll with it. Kind of like that grown out root look. Okay, so get up here. So you can just see, it just kind of like gives you that volume, pushes it up. Like I always say, the higher the hair, the closer to God. So, all right, see, already so much better. Okay, now, the main question that I always get is what kind of like flat iron do I use? I have been using this flat iron for probably 3 years now. This is a Babyliss Pro. I did have one that broke on me after about 1.5 years of using it, and I probably had this one about 1.5 years. And I used this when my hair was long. I love it. It's a flat iron, so you can straighten your hair with it, but then it has like the rounded edges, and I just really like it. There's other products out there that may be better, I don't know, but I've just had this one for a while, and so I love it. So one thing I do is I do it upside down because I feel like it is a tighter curl, and I can only do it with this one hand. But I just do the top of my hair and then I leave out my ends. So I'm literally, I feel like it's a harder process like right after washing my hair because my hair is not like already kind of trained in the way that I want it to go. And so I have to work with it a little bit more. But since I've already had it curled even today, it kind of knows what to do. It's kind of already doing what I want it to do. So like I said, I just leave the ends out. And actually one thing that I've learned that's helped me a lot is I normally straighten it after I wash it. I completely straighten it. That way my ends aren't like flipping out and being all weird. And then I curl it from there so that it kind of already is doing the right thing. So I just like it to be like kind of piecey, kind of loose. And then this side already has like a little bit of leftover curl from earlier, and so I'm just barely gonna touch it up on this side. Literally, I've had so many of you message me. I even had a girl earlier message me and say that she chopped all her hair off today, and so anyways, I'm always not insecure, but like I just feel stupid sometimes doing like tutorials, but you guys literally have asked me so much and for so long, and so I just decided that I don't really care what people think. I'm just gonna do what I want to do. And so if you guys want a hair tutorial, I'm gonna do a hair tutorial. Anyways, you can kind of see it's just kind of piecey. I like it to be a little bit, you know, relaxed and not too much. I don't want it to be like curls all over my head, but I just like for it to be like straight on the ends and just pretty simple. But literally this video is less than 5 minutes. I could definitely touch up the back pieces, but I honestly do my hair in probably 5 to 10 minutes every single day. So it's just a very easy hairstyle. And if you're wanting this haircut, I think that my hairdresser Brooke would say it's all pretty much one length. We did decide to cut a little bit of layers on this side because I do have really thick hair. And so I just have like maybe just like a little bit of layers like on this side because this is like my heavier side. But for the most part, it's a one length long